Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A12. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. You want to go with receive on A12 and send on this Android. Then tap on all of these dots and select send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will click on this one photo, choose send and tap got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can scan this QR code or input password. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here, choose allow and point at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you wanna make sure that it's on your device, you can always go into menu, choose further Samsung, tap on my files and select, for example, images. Then, as you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!